Hello everyone. Imagine a world billions of years ago, vastly different from ours today. No cities, no forests, not even a single blade of grass. Now fast forward through time and you witness an incredible transformation. The birth and evolution of life in its most primitive form, evolving into a vast diversity we see today. How did life begin on a barren planet? What mysterious forces drove the evolution from a simple cells to complex organisms like dinosaurs and eventually to us humans? How did catastrophic events shape the course of life on Earth? Join me in this video as we unravel these mysteries, exploring the breathtaking story of life evolution on Earth, a saga filled with twists, turns, and revelations. The beginning, the formation of Earth. Our planet's story begins about 4.5 billion years ago, emerging from a cloud of cosmic dust and gas. But it took nearly a billion years for Earth to cool down and stabilize enough for life to begin. Around 3.8 billion years ago, the earliest life form appeared. These were not like anything else we see today. These were very basic, existing in a world far different from our current one. Scientists propose that these early life forms could have originated near hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor or in small warm pools on land. These simple cells, known as prokaryotes, were the pioneer of life, capable of surviving in extreme conditions. This period laid down the foundation for life as we know it and marked the start of a long evolutionary journey. The rise of single-celled organisms. For billions of years, these single-celled organisms, primarily prokaryotes, were the sole inhabitants of Earth. They thrived in oceans, adapting and evolving under conditions that would be hostile to most modern life. Around 2.4 billion years ago, a significant event known as Great Oxygenation Event transformed our planet. Some of these simple organisms had started to use sunlight to make food, a process called photosynthesis, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This increased the level of oxygen in the atmosphere, leading to one of the most significant changes in Earth's history. This event not only paved the way for more complex life forms that require oxygen, but also led to the formation of ozone layer, which protected these emerging life forms from harmful solar radiations. The Cambrian explosion. The Cambrian explosion, occurring around 541 million years ago, marks one of the most important events in the history of life on Earth. Before this period, most organisms were simple, consisting of individual cells or small colonies of cells. The Cambrian explosion changed all that. In a relatively short geological time frame, a burst of evolution led to the emergence of complex multicellular organisms. This period saw the rise of ancestor of many modern animal groups, and for the first time the fossil record began to resemble today biodiversity. Structures such as eyes, shells, and complex organs developed, allowing these creatures to interact with their environment in new and complex ways. The Burgess Shale in Canada is one of the most famous fossil sites for this era, providing a window into a diverse forms of life that emerged during this time. The Age of Dinosaurs. The reign of dinosaurs beginning approximately 230 million years ago represents one of the most fascinating chapters in the history of life. These creatures, ranging from towering brachiosaurs to the fearsome Tyrannosaurus rex, were not just the largest reptiles, they were an incredible diverse group of animals that adapted to various environments across the globe. From the lush dense forests to the arid desert, dinosaurs thrived in many habitats. The Cretaceous Paleogene extinction event brought their dominance to an abrupt end 65 million years ago. The most widely acceptable theory for this mass extinction is the impact of massive asteroid, which led to the drastic climate changes. This event caused the extinction of about 3/4 of the plant and animal species on Earth, including dinosaurs, allowing mammals, which had been mostly small and nocturnal up to this point, to rise in their place. The rise of mammals and primates. After the dinosaur extinction, the stage was set for mammals to become the dominant terrestrial animals. These creatures, which had lived in the shadow of dinosaurs for millions of years, begins to diversify rapidly. They evolved into a wide array of size and shapes, occupying ecological niches that dinosaurs once held. Among these animals were the early primates, our distant ancestors. The evolution of primates was marked by significant developments, such as the development of binocular visions and larger brains, adoption that played a crucial role in the survival and evolution of these creatures. Over millions of years, these early primates give rise to a variety of species, including the lineage that would eventually lead to hominids, the group that include modern humans and our closest extinct relatives. The emergence of Homo sapiens. The story of Homo sapiens, our species, is a relatively recent chapter in the evolutionary history. Emerging around 300,000 years ago in Africa, Homo sapiens were not the first human species, but we are the only one left today. Our journey has been marked by the remarkable milestone, the development of sophisticated tools, the mastery of fire, the creation of language, and the development of agriculture were just some of the most significant steps that set us apart from other species. Our ancestors spread across the globe, adapting to a wide range of environments. The adaptability combined with our ability to manipulate our environment and communicate complex ideas has allowed us to create complex societies and cultures. The story of a human evolution is intertwined with the development of our culture, social, and technological capabilities, making us one of the most adaptable and influential species on the planet. As we close this video of our journey from the dawn of life to the rise of humanity, remember that the story of our planet is continuously evolving, just like us. Stay happy and join me the next time we explore more wonders and mysteries of our remarkable world.